siya ang type who never needed a guy, strong, independent, and shy of the might. Her dreams are within her fingertips, makabilim na bulong from her lips. Cause she's smart and funny and wise, she's pretty, decent, oak, she never tries. And she wears her heart on her sleeves, and she's the type that never leaves. And pag nakailan niya ang love of her life, she promised to stay for better and for strife. Cause maunay iyang nakita from her parents, the kind of love nga na ay assurance. I wish I love like Rose did, the type that innocent like a kid. She trusts and she gives and she cares. Ang pagbinuang is something she won't dare. Ihatag niya tanan para sa lalaking nagustuhan. Bisan pa man o wala'y kasiguraduhan ang niyang sukalan. And that's why I wish I love like Rose. So gihatag ni Rose iyang heart sa guy na sobra ka-broken and torn apart. She shared his pain, she shared his fears, she gave him kids and a family to care. Iyang mga pangandoy gikalimtan, yung mga adlaw gihalat sa pagkatiman sa iyang banat, palayog mga anak. Pero kada gabi si Rose sa hilom naghilak, namuta na sa kalangitan. Kung sa'yo ba ang iyang gisugalan, ikaroon nga she's with the love of her life. She kept her promise to stay for better and for strife. Have patience, ipon niyang parents, ana ang gugma dapat na ay second chance. I wish I forgive like Rose did, the type na innocent like a kid. She trusts and she forgives and she cares. Ang pagbinuang is something she won't dare. Ihatag niya tanan para sa lalaking nagustuhan. Bisan pa man o wala'y kasiguraduhan, pagdayan niyang sukalan. And that's why I wish I love like Rose. Ain't nobody can do what she's done. Ang balik-balik magpasaylo o masakitan, ang padayon nga mahigugma sa gusahay way klaro na. Kahibaw mga kilis sayon ang naagian ni Rose karon. Pero makita na po sa iyang mga mata na nag-ampo siyang napuhon. Iyang mga giampot umano na sa panahon. And karon na she is with the love of her life. She kept her promise to stay for better and for strife. Have patience, ipon niyang parents, ana ang gugma dapat na ay second chance. I wish I love like Rose did, the type na innocent like a kid. She trusts and she gives and she cares. Ang pagbinuang is something she won't dare. Ihatag niya tanan para sa lalaking nagustuhan. Bisan pa man o wala'y kasiguraduhan ang niyang sukalan. And that's why I wish I love like Rose.